Put an egg in a tomato and you'll thank me at dinner. Here I'm going to use 2 tomatoes, cutting both in half. Using a spoon, let's remove all the pulp from the tomato. Once that's done, we'll set it aside in a container. We're going to crack an egg and separate the yolk from the white. Having done that, let's set it aside. We will transfer our tomatoes to a serving dish. I've cut the bottom part to ensure it fits nicely in the dish. Next, just add the yolk. Next, we're going to season to taste. Here I added a touch of salt. A bit of black pepper. Cover with some mozzarella. On top, add a dash of oregano. Just place it in the oven and bake at 360 degrees for 30 minutes. Folks, look how great this egg with tomatoes turns out. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at your house. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you've enjoyed it. This is another recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. Sending a big hug. See you next time, and thank you.